today's video, ang i-discuss natin is about multiplication of rational algebraic expression. Okay, let's have examples. Okay, let's have 3x squared over 4 times 2 over 9x. So to get the product of this rational expression, i-factored out natin lahat ng nasa numerator at nasa denominator. Let's start with 3x squared. Factor of 3 is 3. Then x squared is x times x. Then next is 2. Factor of 2 is 2. Next one is 4. Factor of 4 is 2 times 2. Then the 9x is 3 times 3 times x. So after natin mag-factor lahat, i-cancel na natin yung common factor. Pwede natin i-cancel si 3 and 2. Pwede rin si x. Okay, so pag wala na tayong mapapactor, kunin natin yung remaining factor. So remaining factor natin sa numerator is x. Remaining factor natin ng denominator is 2 and 3. So multiply natin, 2 times 3 is 6. So final answer natin is x over 6. Another example, we have 4x to the 4th over 5 times 10x squared over 12x cubed. So, ang gagawin natin, ipapactor lang natin yung leading coefficient natin and then yung variables with exponent, imumultiply na natin siya. Kasi mas malaki na ngayon yung mga exponent na ginagamit sa given. Okay, factor ng 4 is 2 times 2. Factor ng 10 is 2 times 5. Then, base natin is x. Ang exponent natin ay 4 and 2. So, pag magmumultiply tayo ng variables to variables, i-add lang natin yung kanilang exponent kapag parehas ang base. Since parehas naman ang base natin na x, 4 plus 2 is equals to 6. Now, factor of 5 is 5. Factor of 12 is 2 times 2 times 3. Then, copy natin yung x cubed. Now, this point, cancel natin yung mga similar factor. We have 2. Another 2, and then the 5. Then, kung mapapansin natin, we have x to the 6 sa numerator and then x cubed naman yung sa denominator. Kunin natin yung highest exponent natin or highest degree of exponent. So, ang highest natin is x to the 6. So, yung x cubed natin ay makakancel, malilipat siya dito. So, magiging 6 minus 3. Okay, so remaining factor natin is 2. And then x, 6 minus 3 is equals to 3. Then, remaining factor sa denominator ay 3. So, ang final answer natin ay 2x cubed over 3. Let's have another example, 21x cubed y to the 6 over 7xy times 14x to the 4th y cubed over 28x squared y. Okay, so kunin natin muna yung mga factors ng ating leading coefficient. Okay, factor of leading coefficient of 21 is 3 times 7. Then 14 is 2 times 7. Then base natin is x. So, add natin yung exponent ni x. 3 plus 4 is equals to 7. Then base natin of y. Add natin exponent. 6 plus 3 ay 9. Then factor of 7 is 7. Times factor of 28 is 2 times 2 times 7. Then base natin is x and x squared. So may 1 tayo dito. So 1 plus 2 is equals to 3. So x cubed. Then we have a base of y. We have 1 exponent here and 1 exponent. So 1 plus 1 is equals to 2. So cancel natin ngayon yung mga same factor natin. So we have 7. 2, 7. Okay, so the remaining natin ay 3 and then 2. So, ang ating base ng x, ang degree of exponent ay 7 and 3. So, mas mataas yung 7, kaya makakancel si 3. So, malilipat siya dito. 7 minus 3 is 4. So, x to the 4th yung result. Then, sa y natin na base, we have 9 and 2 exponent, cancel yung y squared. So, malilipat dito yung 2. So, 9 minus 2, y is equals to 7. So, magiging final answer natin is 3x to the 4th, y to the 7, all over 2. Okay, another example, 5x minus 20 over 9x minus 18 times 6x plus 12 over 15x minus 60. Okay, so ipapactor natin yung ating mga given polynomials sa rational expression natin para makuha natin yung kanilang product. Okay, let's have 15x minus 20. Common factor is 5. Then, 5x divide natin sa 5 is equals to x minus 20 divide natin sa 5 is 4. Then the other one is 6x plus 12. Common nila is 6. Then 6x divide 6 is x plus 12 divide 6 is 2. For denominator, we have 9x minus 18. Common factor nila is 9. Then 9x divide 9 is x minus 18 divide 9 is 2. Multiply by factor of 15x and 15x minus 60. Common factor nila ay 15. 15x divide 15 is x minus 60 divide 15 is 4. Okay, cancel natin yung common factor. We have x minus 4, cancel. And then, pwede natin i-factor si 6, magiging 2 times 3. Yung 15, magiging 3 times 5. Yung 9, magiging 3 times 3. Para makuha pa natin yung simplest form niya. So, pwede na natin i-cancel si 5. Pwede nang i-cancel si 3. Okay, so wala na. Remaining natin sa numerator ay 2. And then yung x plus 2 times x plus 2. And then remaining 3 times 3 is 9 times x minus 2. So final answer natin is 2 times x plus 2 all over 9 times x minus 2. Let's have x squared minus 100 all over x squared minus 20x plus 100 multiplied by x squared minus 8x minus 20 all over x squared plus 20x plus 100. So this time, ang gagawin natin, ipapactor natin lahat ng nasa numerator at lahat ng nasa denominator para makita natin yung mga pwedeng i-cancel na same factor. Let's start with x squared minus 100. So ang given polynomial natin is a given of sum and difference of 2 squared. So, square root natin yung x squared, x and x. Square root natin ng 100 is 10. So, therefore, ang factor ng x squared minus 100 is x plus 10 times x minus 10. What about yung ating second given? X squared minus 18 minus 8x minus 20. So, gawa tayo ng dalawang parentheses. Factored muna natin yung x squared, x, and x. Now, pansinin natin, negative yung last term natin. Ibig sabihin, ano ang factor ni 20? Pag may minus natin, dapat lalabas ay 8. So, let's have 1 and 20. 1 minus 20 is equals to positive or negative 19. So, hindi siya yung hinahanap natin. Let's have 2 and 10. 2 minus 10 or 10 minus 2 is a positive or negative 8. Since 8 yung hinahanap natin, 2 and 10 ang gagamitin natin factor. 2 and 10. Okay, middle term natin is negative. So, yung pinakamataas na value, siya yung negative. 10 is negative, 2 is positive. Okay, let's go to x squared minus 20x plus 100. Okay, pwede natin gamitin yung general factoring or kung mapapansin natin, ito ay perfect square trinomial given. So, kapag ganon, parehas lang ng factor yung makukuha natin. So, root lang ng x squared ang kukunin natin and then root ng 100. So, root ng x squared ay x and then root ng 100 ay 10. So, since negative yung middle, parehas silang negative. Next, next natin is x squared plus 20x plus 100. Pwede rin yung general factoring. Or, mas madali kung perfect square trinomial ang gagamitin natin dahil perfect square trinomial given naman siya. Root ng x squared ay x times x. Then, root ng 100 ay 10. So, positive ang middle term. So, pares silang positive. Now, pwede na tayo mag-cancel ngayon. So, x plus 10, x minus 10, x minus 10. So, meron pa ba? Wala na tayong nakikitang pwede pang i-factor. So, remaining natin is x plus 2, then x plus 10. So, ito na ngayon yung final answer natin. X plus 2 all over x plus 10.